Social and Sustainability Marketing Lecture 2. Origin and Uses of Social Marketing. Social marketing was first propounded by Philip Kotler and Gerald Zaltman in 1971. In an article that discussed the application of commercial marketing principles in health, social, and quality of life issues, Kotler and Zaltman, 1971. According to Honeyman 2022, this was preceded by the argument by Philip Kotler and Sidney Levy in 1969 that marketing is a pervasive societal activity that goes considerably beyond the selling of products and services. Before 1969, marketing was only seen by scholars like Luck 1969 as an economic activity in which commercial companies provided goods and services to consumers with the objective to maximize profit. Kotler and Levy, however, strongly canvassed that marketing was about transactions. And not only market transactions. Kotler and Levy, 1969. According to Squito, 2009. Social marketing was born as a discipline in the 1970s when Philip Kotler and Gerald Zaltman realized that the same marketing principles that were being used to sell products to consumers could also be used to sell ideas, attitudes, and behaviors. Kotler and Andreessen, 2005-3, also see social marketing as differing from other areas of marketing only with respect to the objectives of the marketer and his or her organization. Social marketing has been used extensively in international, national, and community health programs and is also being used with more frequency in marketing many countries' social programs, like democratic participation, human rights, rule of law, obedience to traffic laws, etc., or to marketing social vices like drug abuse, anti-crime, anti-cultism, anti-smoking, anti-narcotics, human trafficking, and many more at the national, state, and local levels. Social marketing has particularly proved to be a very vital tool in health marketing or health communication campaigns. The 1967 Murad Condom Project in India was reportedly the first recorded nationwide contraceptive social marketing program.